So these beauties finally arrived, a set of 20-inch wheels. So let's send these off to dress them up. So the wheels are back, all dressed up with the tires. So let's put these on the car. The OEM wheels in black are 19-inch and these are 20-inch, and I think this would be a really nice upgrade for the car. And as I'm one of those guys who really hate black wheels, I don't see the point of having wheels you can hardly see. So I think these new wheels would be a really nice upgrade for the car. So let's see it. So that's how it turned out, and I absolutely love the look these wheels give this model. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it and want to see more of this project, please subscribe. Until next time, see ya.